Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter 4 that is animals are friends. Okay, so in this chapter I will explain you the animal products and uses of animals in our daily life. Okay, as you know that animals play important role in in the life of the human beings, and we animals like dogs, cat and parrot are kept as pets. Okay, now see in the diagram, these are the animal products. See, number one is the milk which you get from the cow, and the second one is the honey which you get from the honeybee, and third that are eggs which you get from the hen, and then see that is meat which you get from the goat. Okay, so these are the animal products and you get from the different animals. And first of all, now you see the video, and you will enjoy this video. In this video animal products and their uses are given, so you will watch carefully. Okay, see this video.
Have you ever wondered how our ancestors protected themselves from harsh weather? They clothed themselves with animal skin. Even today, clothes and articles made of animal skin are available. However, most countries have banned the use of certain animal skins in an effort to protect the endangered animals. Primitive man sought animals not just for clothes, but for many other uses. One of these uses was food in the form of meat and eggs. They had also learned to domesticate dogs to help them herd and protect their livestock. Later on, man used animals such as horses, camels, and bulls as a means of travel and transport. Animals such as bulls and oxen were also used to help in farm work such as plowing. In fact, farmers in many villages still use them. Cattle dung obtained from these animals was used as both fuel and fertilizer. In recent times, we use biogas technology for similar purposes. Long before the postal service was established in India, we used birds, especially pigeons, to deliver urgent and important messages. Today, we still rely on various animal products such as milk, eggs, and meat for food. But now, we have far more uses for animals. From guarding to searching for explosives and drugs, animals are required by humans on a regular basis these days. Animals are used in medical researches, where scientists need to experiment with a living organism. Bones of dead animals are used for making fertilizers and ornaments. The waste material left behind after obtaining the fertilizer is used for making glue. However, in order to protect animals, people are discouraged from buying bone ornaments, especially those made of ivory. The intestines of certain animals are used to make suture threads. Doctors use these threads to stitch cuts made during a surgery. In France and Italy, pigs and dogs are used for locating a special kind of mushroom called truffle. Their sense of smell enables them to perform this task with utmost ease. Dogs and rats are used for locating landmines. As part of an experiment, scientists were able to train the Gambian pouched rat to detect pulmonary tuberculosis. Tests to guarantee it as a viable method of diagnosis are underway. The keratin protein found in the feathers of birds, such as hens, is used to create plastics and adhesives. Poultry litter, a combination of wood shaving and manure, is converted into organic fertilizer.
बोलना भी ठीक है अभी इसको
Finally, military use of animals such as horses and elephants, though reduced considerably, is still maintained for police work and transport. Owing to the multiple uses of animals today, animal husbandry as a science has come into existence and is considered a means of livelihood for a large number of people.
Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and in that video you have seen the uses of the animals. Okay, and now I will explain you in brief about the usefulness of animals in our day-to-day life. Okay, now see these are the points. Number one point is the silk and wool that are used for making cloth come from the silkworm and sheep respectively. Okay, that means you get wool from the sheep and silk from the silkworm. Now leather obtained from the skin of the animals like goat, sheep and buffalo is used to make shoes, purses and bags. That means the skin of the animals are used to make the shoes, purses, that means leather items. Okay, now pearls used as jewelry and they are obtained from the oysters. Okay, from where? Oh, you get the pearls from the oysters. And many types of fish, prawns and lobster and crabs are used as seafood. Okay, now animals like horses, camel, elephants are used as means of transport. Okay, in the ancient time, kings had dogs that are used to assist them in hunting in the forest, and at present dogs assist police in various search operations. Okay, and as you know that animal waste like cow dung. Okay, I think everyone is familiar with the cow dung, and that is used to make what? Compost. By converting the cow dung into the compost, and we use that compost in our field, and that make our field fertile, and that is very useful for the growth of the plant. Okay, and so this is all about the uses of the animals and their products. Okay, animal products. And in the next class I will explain you about the wildlife. And now see the homework for today. You can note down the homework. See, you note down. Number 1 is the draw diagrams of 5 animal products. Okay, you will draw it from the book which I have shown you in this video. You will see the video, you will pause the video, and then you will draw that diagram. Okay, and the second one is the read the chapter Animals Are Friend. I think you all are having you all have downloaded the PDF of the My Living World book. Okay, and chapter 4 you will see the chapter 4, and you will go through the chapter, you will read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.